Hello students, today I am explaining you intermediate second year 2B Maths chapter 6 integration 7 marks important question. Here we have type 11. The type 11 is in the form of integral a cos x plus b sin x plus c by d cos x plus e sin x plus f into dx. And based on this I taken one question here. 11th question. Evaluate integral cos x plus 3 sin x plus 7 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 into dx. See, let us solve this problem. Solution. Given that integral cos x plus 3 sin x plus 7 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 into dx. The question is in the form of fraction, numerator and denominator. So that's why here we can write now numerator is equals to a into d by dx denominator plus b into denominator plus c. Why I wrote here c? Because constants are there. If there are no constant, then we stop here, where a d by dx denominator plus b into denominator. If there is constants are there in numerator and denominators, then we write plus c. Yes. Now numerator is what? Cos x plus 3 sin x plus 7 is equals to a into d by dx. Denominator, what is denominator? Cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus b into denominator cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus c. Then write this is equals to as it is a d by dx cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, and plus d by dx sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x, and plus differentiation of 1 is what? 0, plus b into, right, this is same, cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus c. And one more step is a into minus sin x plus cos x plus b into cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus c. So to find a, b, c values, we want to multiply this a with this bracket values and b with this bracket value. So a into minus sin x minus a sin x plus a into cos x, a cos x plus b into cos x, b cos x plus b into sin x is what? B sin x plus b ones are b plus c. After write this, so first term is what? Cos term, cos x. So that's what we simplify the cos terms. Here it is the cos x and here it is the cos x. So what cos x take on the common? If cos x takes the common, a plus b into cos x, a plus b cos x, and then sin terms, plus here minus a plus b into sin x, then b plus c. After write this, we want to equate the cos x terms with cos x and the sin x term with sin x, and the constant this b plus c is equated with the 7. Now I am equating the cos x terms. So cos x is equals to a plus b into cos x. And next equate the sin terms. So 3 sin x is equals to minus a plus b into sin x. And next the constant is b plus c is equals to, here constant is what? 7. Now cancel both sides cos x. Then what is remain? 1 is equals to a plus b. Right, this is in order. A plus b is equals to 1. This is what? First equation. And here cancel the sin x both the sides. Remains 3 is equals to minus a plus b. Now write this is in order. Minus a plus b is equals to 3 is the second equation. And this is b plus c equal to 7 is what? Third equation. So first we solve first and two equations. Solve 1 and 2. What is 1? A plus b equals to 1. And 2 is minus a plus b is equals to 3. A minus a gets cancelled. B plus b is what? 2b is equals to 1 plus 3 is a 4. Then b is equals to 4 by 2. This 4 and divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. So b is equals to what? 2. After we got b value, this b value can substitute in 1 or 2. I am substituting now this b value in 1. What is 1? 1 is a plus b is equals to 1. In place of b, substitute 2. Write a as it is. B is what? 2 is equals to 1. Then a is equals to 1 plus 2 transferred to right side, that becomes minus 2. Then a is equals to minus 1. Therefore, a is equals to what? Minus 1. So now we got a is equals to minus 1 and b is equals to 2, and one more variable we need to find out, that is what? C. So if b value substitute in equation 3, then we get C value. Now b value is 2. So 2 plus c is equals to 7. Then c is equals to 7 and this 2 transferred to right side, that becomes minus 2. So c is equals to what? 5. Therefore a is equals to minus 1, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to 5. Now I am going to substitute these three values. Now I wrote again the question: integral cos x plus 3 sin x plus 7 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx is equals to, so this, instead of this numerator value, we can write what? A into minus sin x plus cos x plus b into cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus c. So this is what? A into d by dx denominator plus b into denominator plus c. Now I am going to substitute. So I am writing this is equals to here. Integral. What is a value? A is minus 1 into minus sin x plus cos x plus b. B is what? 2. 2 into cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus c. C is what? 5 by, write the denominator as it is, cos x plus sin x plus 1 into dx. Now I am splitting the denominator to numerator with like this and with this and with 5 also. So is equals to integral minus 1 into minus sin x plus cos x by cos x plus sin x plus 1 into dx plus integral 2 into cos x plus sin x plus 1 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx plus integral is 5 by, write this one, cos x plus sin x plus 1 into dx. See, now we can take this constant outside. So minus 1 integral minus sin x plus cos x by cos x plus sin x plus 1 into dx plus, write the 2 outside, 2 integral, write 2 integral cos x plus sin x plus 1 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx plus, write the 5 outside, 5 into integral 1 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx. Yes, now this first part, see, cos x differentiation is minus sin x differentiation is a cos x, and the one differentiation is a 0. It means this is in the form of f dash x by f of x. Since integral f dash x by f of x into dx is equals to log mod f of x plus c is the formula. And this is the second part, cos x plus sin x plus 1, cos x plus sin x plus 1, both the numerator and denominators are same, we can cancel them one time. So that is as it is. Now I am writing minus 1 as it is. So in this first part we can write the log mod of f of x. F of x is what? This denominator, cos x plus sin x plus 1, and plus 2 integral 1 is x plus 5 into integral 1 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx. Yes. Next, I am writing this is as it is, plus this plus 2x is also as it is. So plus 5 integral, for this purpose we can let tan x by 2 is equals to t and differentiate both the sides. Then differentiation of tan x by 2 is secant square x by 2 into the differentiation of x by 2 is 1 by 2 into dx is equals to t differentiation is a dt. And next send this to denominator 2 to right side, then we get secant square x by 2 into dx is equals to 2 dt. After this I can write dx is equals to 2 dt by this one, secant square x by 2. So dx is equals to 2 dt by the secant square x by 2 can write 1 plus tan square x by 2. So it means what? So dx is equals to 2 dt by 1 plus tan x by 2 is what? T. So it is a t square. In place of dx, in this place, dx can write 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Now I taken the last part. The first two parts are finished. We got that answers. And the last part is 5 integral 1 by cos x plus sin x plus 1. So here we can write the sin theta formula in terms of tan is what? 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. And cos theta is equals to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. This is what cos theta formula in terms of tan. So that's what in this problem, in place of cos x, we can write 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. And in place of cos, in place of sin x is equals to 2t by 1 plus t square. And in place of dx, dx is what? 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So now I am going to substitute in this part. In place of cos x is what? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. In place of sin x is what? 2t by 1 plus t square. And in place of dx is 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Now I am simply substituting 5 integral 1 by cos x is what? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, plus sin x is 2t by 1 plus t square, plus 1 into dx is a 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Here we can write by 1. So 5 integral 1 by, do LCM, to 1 plus t square and 1 is LCM is a 1 plus t square. In 1 plus t square goes one time. 1 into 1 minus t square is a 1 minus t square. Plus again 1 plus t square goes one time. 1 into 2t is what? 2t. Plus in one table 1 plus t square goes 1 plus t square times. So 1 plus t square into 1 is 1 plus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So after this, see, minus t square and plus t square, we can cancel them. And next write 5 integral and do it reciprocal. This 1 plus t square goes to upwards. So 1 plus t square by, in the denominator is what? So it is 2t, and 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So we can cancel 1 plus t square and 1 plus t square. And next is what? 5 integral 1 by, from in this denominator we can take 2 common. So t plus 1. 2 into 2 is 2t and 2 ones are 2 into 2 dt. Again we can cancel these 2 and these 2. So what is remains? 5 integral 1 by t plus 1 into dt. So now it is in the form of integral 1 by x is what? Log x. So we can write it now, 5 log t plus 1 plus c. See, write 5 log, what is t? T is tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. Now the final result is integral cos x plus 3 sin x plus 7 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx, it is question, is equals to, the final result is, the first part is minus 1 into log mod of cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus the second part answer is 2x plus the third part answer is what? 5 log of mod tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is the final result.